everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are okay. So we are now on the bus and we are gonna be on our way to our next destination. So we are a bit early here. We have 45 minutes to go before the bus can actually leave. So we are gonna be going to Shkodër for another 2 days. No, 2 nights. 2 nights. So yeah, it's gonna be another fun adventure, so stay tuned. Okay, so we just arrived at our hotel. My god, the travel took longer than expected. It's like 4 hours. It was so traffic, but this is our room. Big. It's smaller than last time, but it's good. It's fine. I mean, we're only gonna be sleeping here. We're gonna be out and about most of the day anyway. So yeah, wow, that was a bit much. The travel, 4 hours on the bus, no stopover. It's just constant traffic all the way. So yeah, very nice. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. We'll just rest and then we'll try and explore around the area. So stay tuned. So we're just walking through the town and they have looks like very old looking buildings and a lot of derelict buildings as well. It also looks like an old town kind of vibes to it with the cobbled floors, but the floors are made like marble, so it's very slippery. It seems like we're now in their high street where there's a lot of shops and different restaurants and cafes. This bit is a bit busier and still a lot of like old looking buildings, but yeah, adds to the vibe, I guess. Okay, I don't know how much we can show you today because a lot of the like buildings are closed. Like that one, the Abu Bakr Mosque was closed, and one of the Orthodox churches as well was closed. But we are here in one of their chic streets as well, again, like a different side. It looks busier, but not as busy as normal or usual like the other streets. Apparently Shkodër is a city of bicycles, but I thought that city of bicycles was Amsterdam, but apparently they're trying to compete with that as well. But there's not as many as Amsterdam when it comes to bicycles in here, but you can definitely see a lot of cyclists from time to time, and there's a lot of like parked bicycles on the side as well. Things to do here in Shkodër is like far off from the city, so you kind of have to travel out of the city to reach those destinations. So that's what we're gonna be doing tomorrow.
So we're gonna start off quite early, but we're getting picked up at 6:30 in a minibus, and we're gonna go to a place called Komani Lake, and we're gonna go on a boat ride, which takes us to like a nice beautiful spot apparently, and we can spend a few hours by the water and enjoying the water.
Yeah, hopefully we can do kayak as well, depending on the weather, and maybe
it's gonna be hot tomorrow, nice and sunny.
Yeah, but it also rained today, so who knows. Yeah, it also rained today. When we got off the bus, it started raining, so hopefully it's gonna be nice weather tomorrow. We can kayak and hopefully swim in the, is that a river or yeah, lake. So stay tuned and keep an eye for tomorrow's activities, guys. Okay, so we're gonna start with our dinner now because we haven't had anything to eat since breakfast. I ordered this mixed fish. So how's your pizza?
Hot. Go.
It looks really big.
Yeah.
The usual portion.
It's nice, looks good. I felt like I needed to have something a bit not so meaty. We've had so much meat stuff over the last few days.
Yeah.
It's nice to have a change.
Yeah, same. I really wanted to try seafood or wanted to eat seafood. That's why I ordered the mixed grill. Not mixed grill, but the mixed seafood. It's really nice. It's very like really big portion as well. And considering it's very cheap, like it's so this one is mixed shrimp and squid actually. So very cheap and good portion. Have a look. So all of this is just for one person. So you got the shrimp and the squid there. Very big portion and very cheap as well. So all of this, all our food and drinks actually, because we have 2 beers and Mike got Coke and I've got Fanta as well. So all of that is only around 18 quid total. So very cheap. So that's why we love traveling on this area because everything is very cheap. So yeah. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are okay. So we are just waiting for our taxi. We are on our way for our day trip today. It's still very early. It's only 6:30, but it's very bright already.
Sunny.
And it's sunny. It's a bit chilly. It's very quiet. Even though it's a weekday, it's very quiet. It's like no one's going to work. So see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we're in the minivan now. We're just picking up more passengers as well. So it's gonna be a long trip today. Hopefully it's gonna be worth it because it's one of those things to do here in Shkoder. So see you guys in a bit. We just had a quick stopover side of the road. It was very bumpy. It's getting hot now, but it's still a bit chilly. It's still early. Now a lot of tourists have stopped in this side as well. The views are very nice on that side. I'm gonna go back inside the car and hide from the sun. Let's go. Here we need to walk through the tunnel. This looks like the bank art thing. Very weird. Okay, let's go. It's a very long tunnel. So we're out of the tunnel. It looks like it's cramped. There's a lot of people. Wow. I don't know how they're gonna fit all of the people here into those boats there. We'll see later. So we're on the boat already. So this is it. It looks like a barge. So we're just outside. This is the boat, the smaller one. So why are we just to that side? I wonder if we can go inside as well. But there you go, maybe it's full inside already. So we're just waiting to go and then we can start exploring. It's gonna be very interesting because this boat ride is gonna be 45 minutes.
Yeah.
45 minutes. Just on this side. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we started moving. Hopefully this won't take very long. That's gonna be on this side. At least we're on the shade now. Here, it's labeled there. 1 day tour. That's our boat over there.
Hello.
It looks very cramped. So let's go. So we're here. So this is where we're gonna have lunch. Views over there. We can go swim over that side later. Amazing. So we are on our way back to where we were dropped off earlier. This path. Rough road. So yeah, we're going back there because the kayak area is on that side. But the views are really beautiful, like very beautiful. Alright, let's go see if we can find any kayaks, because apparently there's only a few left and there's like a big group. So there's a few people already booked the kayak tour, so they will be prioritized. And then us for the one-day tour, although the kayaks are free, but then again there's only limited kayaks available, so we'll see if we can get one. Let's go. Okay, so we're on the kayak now. Hopefully it doesn't flip. We saw one guy flipped already from earlier. The other boats are making so much waves. Nice. This is too much cardio. Very nice views. Just to reach around that area over there. So I'm not sure how far we are. So let's keep paddling. I didn't bring any floaties for my GoPro, so I'm a bit scared of just like letting it stand on the kayak. I'm afraid that if it falls, it will just go like down this lake. Is this a lake? River?
Lake.
Yeah. It's very, very deep. It's almost like when we went to the Matya Canyon. And also
bigger scale version.
Yeah, but a bigger scale version. Also, this looks like when we were canoeing in Palawan in the Philippines. That kind of vibe to it. But freshwater instead of seawater. And a lot of motorized boats coming past from time to time, which makes the waves and kind of tilts this kayak from time to time. Well, almost tilts it over. Hopefully it doesn't happen. But the views are really beautiful. The water is very green. You have like random bits floating, like driftwood and stuff like that. Wow. We just finished with the canoeing thing, kayaking. So much effort. Too much cardio for the day. My arms are aching already. Alright, we're going to the beach area that way. And then in an hour it's gonna be lunchtime. So let's see what kind of lunch they will serve us. So apparently they will give us like a traditional Albanian meal. So let's see what it's like. So that's the beach area there that we're trying to go to. I don't know how long it would take to get there because there's no direct path. So apparently they don't mark the path to go there to keep it more local. That's what he said, local. So we'll try and get there. When they were saying they're trying to keep it local, it's just a rough path, rough footpath that you just have to follow and hope that you don't fall off the edge somewhere around there. Okay, so we're almost there. That side but I'm not sure if you can see in the camera. There's like loads of fishes, like big fish. Okay, all the fishes are gone. They went all that side, but the water is very clear and cool. Goes from this brownish area here because of mud, and then goes to green and deep over that side. Very nice color. It's very quiet. I think we're the only ones on this side. Most of the people went to the other tour. So they also offer another tour which is not included in the price of this tour. So the Shala River tour. So that's like the tour guide said, it's their Thailand of Albania. So yeah.
It was an extra €10.
Extra 10 euros.
Decided to stay around here.
And we decided to stay here and do kayak instead, and hopefully swim on this beach. But I don't think we're gonna be swimming on this beach. But yeah, it's nice. It's beautiful. Probably gonna head back. Wow. It's just suddenly deep over that side, and you can see the fishes from over that side as well. It's very deep. So we're now having our lunch. I totally forgot to record. We had a few side dishes already. It's empty. We're just waiting for our main meal, and then after this we're gonna go back. So our lunch is finished. We're going back down to the port. That lunch was very good.
A lot of food.
A lot of food.
Local stuff.
A lot of traditional local stuff. So yeah, we're very full and sleepy. And now back to the whole journey back to the city again. Wow, I'm so sleepy. So we're heading back to the city. Going back on the boat, and then have that minibus again, mini van or a van to take us back to the city. So what do you think of the tour?
Really nice place to come.
Yeah, definitely recommended this tour, day trip tour, to come here in the lake. What is this lake?
Komani.
Komani. Yeah, the Komani day tour. So if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram, which is Cowell_Chan, and on my Facebook page, which is Cowell_Travels. Hit that subscribe button and the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload my videos. And thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.